Hello, my name is Mohammed Abdurrahman, a student in Summit International School. Today we're going to be asking students what their projects are about. Good morning. What's your name?
My name is Omar.
What's your name?
Ahmed Harzallah.
Can you tell us more about your project?
So-
How it works?
So our project is basically it's a forklift. How it works is that it uses gears to lift things up and also move them around. This is our code over here. This is what we use to move objects around. This is our light sensor. We use the light sensor to also activate the robot, and that's how our robot works.
Thank you. Can you tell us more about the sustainable energy that you use?
We used geothermal energy, which basically is an underground surface energy that transfers from underground to electricity, and it transfers into the batteries of the robot.
Thank you so much. Good morning. What's your name?
Danny Firas Rabishi.
And what's your name?
Robert.
Can you tell me more about the prototype of your project?
Okay, so the prototype here is a real robot arm that uses blocks to pick up stuff and drop them inside this box. So let me give you an example.
Yeah. And can you tell us more about the sustainable energy that your project uses?
So basically, we decided to incorporate sustainable energy with this robotic arm because it's way cleaner, it's more sufficient, and it's just overall better for the environment. If we can if we could incorporate this into all robotic arms in like industrial factories or such, then we wouldn't have to worry about changes such as climate change, global warming, all this stuff. So that's one less thing to worry about.
That's very interesting. Thank you so much. Hello, mister. Can
Hello?
you please introduce yourself?
Okay, hello guys, it's Mr. Muhammad Khalifa, the ICT, Robotics and Computer Science and Design Technology teacher at Summit International School.
Thank you. I have one question for you. What are some of the real-life applications that you use in your robotics lesson?
Okay, as you can see guys, we designed here a forklift and robot arms that we can use as a prototype of original robot arm and original forklift. Most likely, any other project we have in our robotics classes is going to be like a prototype of original project that we're going to work on. But on those projects, as you can see, if you check this one, for example, it's a prototype of a robot hand, as I just mentioned. And they're explaining to the other students that this robot is using geothermal energy to work. So we are saving the energy or getting the energy from the solar energy and then saving it into batteries, and later on it can be used using let's say pressure motors to force the robot to work and force the robot arm to do its job.
Thank you so much, mister.
Pleasure.
So we can do it by mobile because there's no app on mobile. Where we can code it using Python or these blocks we coded.
Okay, I want this project. I want something more. What can you think in your mind?
Something more.
Yeah.
Well, this is just a prototype, but what
good.
we've been thinking
Yes.
is
For public, what do you think?
yeah,
what do
for
you
the public.
Yes. What do you think?
I think that if factories started applying this using sustainable energy,
Good. Good.
I think that it can really help reduce climate change because of
Good,
the sustainable
good.
resources.
Good. Thank you, my boy.
Thank you.
Want my photo?